You got this?
I do. Can't wait to see the bottles.
Yeah, we got a special delivery today. This is Sake 36. Can't wait to celebrate with a good pizza. Here's the fun part of the thing. If you manage to open it, that's gonna be...
It's gonna taste better.
It's a puzzle.
Yeah, exactly. Oh. The cats are gonna love the little things.
We're gonna save this for me and Zelda, our cats. They're gonna go crazy.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Wow.
Nice.
The box is beautiful.
Is the pizza on? Is the pizza in the oven?
It's in the oven,
Okay.
yes. Ta-da! Wow. That's awesome.
Oh, look at that.
That's awesome.
Love this.
Can't wait for tonight.
Yeah. Okay. The taste chart. We got it. We get the glasses.
Yes, go get the glasses.
Okay. Okay. Ready.
We're ready. We're ready.